I'm Christina Ambalong from Optimal Health Network, and I want to talk about some fears that I hear around enemas. Let's bust those myths. One of the first things is that people are talking about enemas being addictive. Well, it is absolutely not true. I've been supporting people around enemas for over 25 years, and I've just not seen that pan out. Enemas are super supportive to optimize your health for so very many people. The second myth is that enemas wash away the microbial population. That also is false. The stool that moves out of your colon, for instance, is full of healthy microbes. So this process of taking things out of the colon, it's natural to have microbes be removed. The enema only enhances the healthy microbial population. As long as you're using high quality therapeutics when you do your enemas, that part is important. If you're doing a fleet enema, for instance, every day, then that's not necessarily the case. So do use the therapeutics in our enema series, the sea salt and colon cleanse essential oil blend, to enhance the microbial population. And also 3, I hear the myth that enemas wash out all the electrolytes. That is also not true. They do not do that. And we have created a therapeutic enema process, again with the sea salt and colon cleanse essential oil blend, to help optimize the electrolytes in the colon. 4, are enemas, coffee enemas specifically, are they deadly? I've actually heard this, and that is 100% not true. Coffee enemas are safe and effective. Make sure, again, that you're using a high quality coffee and that the temperature of your water is around body temperature or the therapeutic solution. The 5th myth is that enemas perforate the bowel. This is not true. I have never seen that happen in the entire 25 years that I've been doing this. As long as you're using a high quality enema nozzle that you can get at optimalhealthnetwork.com and you're lubricating it well, you will not perforate the colon. So if you have questions about enemas, you want to use them for your own health, and you need support, do reach out to us at Optimal Health Network and we can help you.